going on, YouTube? Fellow Pyros up at King of Boom Fireworks. We're going to check out some Father's Day deals going on right now. Let's start with the 5-inch super shells, the big boys, the pounders. We have any two boxes for $120. Two for $120. So we got 5-inch pounders, neon, 5-inch, Raging Bull, or Salute to the Flag and Jawbreakers. Any two for $120. Come pick those up. Nice Father's Day special. Then we have Wacky Tobacco and Yin Yang. Two heavy hidden 9 on a board, 3-inch finales. Bundled at $100 for both. Come and pick those up. We have these brand new flashing fireworks, 3-inch finales. Mass Explosion, Rock the Sky, or new for 2017, Jekyll and Hyde 3-inch finales. Marked down to $65. Regular $100 each. Then we have two sections of $45 cakes. All right here. All heavy hitters. Everything at King of Boom hits hard. I made sure of that. Only brought in the best of the best. Special right now. Buy any 4 of these $45 cakes and get 2 free. So that's a saving of $90. 2 hard-hitting 500-gram cakes free when you buy 4. There you go. Now we come to a big special, the Big Bob bundle. This is a King of Boom exclusive. 13 hard-hitting Bada Boom cakes for $350. So you get 6 of the Bada Boom 200-gram cakes, 3 500-gram bangers. You get 2 2-inch finales, and you get 2 3-inch finales. All for the amazing price of $350. You got to come and scoop that up. That's a Bada Boom, Bada Bing right there. Then we have 4 brand new for 2017 certified black label and big fireworks Empire heavy hitters. This redneckery is amazing. Supernatural, Toxic, and Sky Magic. Those 4 retailing between $40 and $50. All 4 for $100. 4 brand new for 2017 500-gram cakes. 4 for $100. There you go. Which you've seen the Father's Day specials, but June also happens to be the month of my birthday. June 19th to be exact. So what I've come up with is we're going to have a bunch of cakes on sale for $19 from now until June 19th. Pick up these cakes for $19. All these awesome 500-gram cakes. So we got High Voltage, Watermelon Moonshine, Redneck Revenge to begin with. Then we have Pyro Demon, Death Bomb, Vengeance, Ultimate Power, Keep Going, Witching Hour, Zombie Slayer, awesome 500 gram cakes, all for $19 each. We're not done yet. General Sol, even the brand new 2017 Daybreak, new 2017 Dr. Feelgood, new 2017 Firing Line, all for $19. Snowblind also. Velociraptor, $19. A long duration cake, hard hitting Maddox Fireworks. The awesome fan cake Sunshine State by Winda, $19. House Special, Future Warrior, Rising Star, all $19 each. Still not done yet. Bada Boom's The Hit, 9 big shots. The Famous Notorious by Winda, Jingle Jangle, awesome fan cake by Shogun, 9 huge breaks in the jaws by Cutting Edge. No Replacement Found, a nice red, white, and blue cake. Everybody needs a red, white, and blue cake in their show. And then last of all, the big boy, Highfalutin, $19. That's crazy. Only $19 till June 19th. Come celebrate with me on my birthday. Get some awesome 500 gram cakes for $19. Fill your stash. That's it. Come check us out. We got the deals. We got the boom here at King of Boom Fireworks. Later.